Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix the issue with Black Ops 6 while playing the game. You get a stuttering, packet loss or low FPS in the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. In the basic step, go ahead and if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, make sure you switch to an Ethernet port and then try to play the game. Secondly is, while launching the game, you need to wait for the shaders to fully compile. It will take around 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending upon the type of speed you have, and once the shaders are fully compiled, only then play the game to fix out the issue of packet burst or low FPS in the game. Next basic fix is to update your BIOS. There are two ways to update the BIOS. First one is, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, scroll down and click on the option Advanced Options and then click on Optional Updates. Over here, expand the driver update option, and if any kind of firmware update is available, like it is showing right over here, choose the option Download and Install. Else, you need to update the BIOS from your motherboard manufacturer website, and this will fix out the issue. And lastly is, do a reset of your router. Unplug all the power supplies attached to your router, turn it off, and then press and hold the power key of your router for 30 to 40 seconds. Once done, replug all the power supply, turn it on, connect it with your system using an Ethernet connection and then try to play the game. Hopefully, these basic fixes help you fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 packet loss or low FPS. If these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, go ahead and increase the shader cache. To do so, open the NVIDIA control panel and click on the Manage 3D settings. Right in the Manage 3D settings, you will find the option of shader cache size. Go ahead and from here choose the option 100 GB. Once it is done, save the changes. Nextly, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type a percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Again, this method is for the NVIDIA users only. Press the N key to find NVIDIA folder. Open the NVIDIA folder and over here you will find two folders, DX cache as well as GL cache. Go ahead and delete both the folders. After deleting both the folders, restart your PC and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 packet burst or low FPS in the game. Now let's proceed with the next step. In next method, head over to this PC. In the left pane, click on the option Documents, open Call of Duty Players folder, scroll down and you will find a file with the name s.1.0.cod24. Open it. Here, click on the Edit menu and choose option Find. From here, you need to find a value with the name GPU upload and hit the enter key. Now here, under the GPU upload heaps, you will find the option of true. Go ahead, delete it and type in false. Once you have done so, again in the search box, this time type threads. Scroll down and you will find the option of render worker count and you will find the value as 6. You need to change or reduce a value which is currently shown right over here. If it is showing me 6, I'll type in 5. If at your end it is showing you 8, you need to type in 7. I mean, you need to type in the number of cores available in your system -1. For example, in my system, I'll go ahead and open Task Manager. I'll click on Performance tab and under the CPU, my available cores are 6. So I need to type 1 core less than 6. That's why I type in value as 5. Once you're done, click on the File menu, choose option Save. Now go ahead, relaunch your PC, relaunch your game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 stuttering, packet loss or low FPS in the game. If these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, simply launch the game, head over to graphics settings of the game. In graphics settings, you will find the option of VRAM scaling. Reduce the VRAM scaling to 60. Whichever percentage it is, make sure to reduce it to 60. Nextly is dynamic resolution. If you have turned it on, go ahead and turn off the dynamic resolution which is available in the graphics settings under the quality tab. Once you have done these changes, relaunch your game and this will completely fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 stuttering, packet loss or low FPS in the game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.